The best countries for women's rights and family safety in today's world, where so many women and families still face challenges related to safety discrimination and inequality. There are a few countries that have gone above and beyond to create a safe, fair, and empowering environment for women and children. These countries are not perfect, but they are setting global standards when it comes to ensuring that women have the freedom, the support, and the rights they deserve to live full and meaningful lives while raising healthy and happy families. One of the most outstanding examples is Sweden. Sweden has long been celebrated for its commitment to gender equality and the protection of human rights. In Sweden, women are not just protected by strong laws, they are also supported by a culture that truly values equality. Women are encouraged to pursue leadership roles, build careers, and contribute to decision-making at every level of society. The country offers long-paid parental leave for both mothers and fathers, affordable and accessible childcare services, and flexible working hours that help balance family and career responsibilities. Women in Sweden also benefit from some of the best healthcare systems in the world, including maternal and reproductive health support and mental health services. Safety in public spaces is taken seriously with government campaigns and education programs designed to stop harassment and domestic violence before it even starts. Norway also stands as a global leader in protecting women and strengthening family life. Norwegian society believes strongly in fairness, inclusion, and equal opportunity for all citizens. Here, women have access to top-quality healthcare, education, and legal protection. The government actively promotes work-life balance, and many employers provide support that allows both men and women to take care of their families without sacrificing their careers. Norway's policies include generous paid leave for parents, subsidized childcare, and active efforts to close the gender pay gap. What makes Norway unique is that women's participation in politics and business is not just encouraged but expected and supported by strong community systems. Another powerful example is Finland. This country not only leads in education, but also places high value on the well-being of families and the rights of women. In Finland, every woman has the legal right to safe working conditions, protection from discrimination, and access to equal education from early childhood all the way through higher education. Finland's society is built on trust, equality, and community support, which makes it an ideal environment for raising children. Public safety is a priority, and support services are easily accessible for women facing difficult circumstances, including domestic violence or financial challenges. Finland also offers an inclusive and flexible parental leave system, which allows both parents to actively participate in raising their children. New Zealand is another inspiring country when it comes to women's rights and family safety. Women in New Zealand benefit from strong legal protections and a culture that embraces equality and fairness. Domestic violence is not tolerated, and survivors have access to shelters, legal aid, and mental health resources. The country is known for promoting female leadership and has had multiple women in top government positions, including prime ministers. Mothers are supported through maternity benefits, workplace flexibility, and family-focused community programs. New Zealand places value on family unity and has created a system where both single mothers and couples receive the help they need to build safe and successful lives for their children. Canada is also at the forefront of promoting gender equality and supporting families. Canadian women enjoy access to free public healthcare, strong education systems, and legal protections against workplace discrimination and domestic abuse. Canada has established a wide range of family support programs, including paid parental leave, affordable childcare subsidies, and public housing for low-income families. The country encourages cultural diversity, and immigrant women are also protected and supported through inclusion policies and social programs. What makes Canada even more appealing is its focus on long-term wellness through community health centers, job training for women, and mentorship programs that help build self-confidence and economic independence. Another noteworthy country is Iceland. Iceland has topped the global gender equality rankings for years. Here, the government and society work hand in hand to promote equal pay, equal political representation, and equal rights in both the workplace and at home. Iceland was the first country in the world to make equal pay for equal work a legal requirement. It also has strong protections for mothers, including one of the most generous parental leave policies globally. Women in Iceland are celebrated for their leadership and supported through networks that offer education, career guidance, and family planning resources. Switzerland also deserves mention. This beautiful European country is known not only for its safety but also for its high standard of living and support for working women. Swiss women enjoy comprehensive healthcare options, access to quality education, and community services that help reduce the pressures of balancing work and family. The country is constantly improving its family policies, including increasing parental leave benefits and promoting work flexibility. In these countries, women are not expected to choose between their dreams and their duties. They are supported in building strong families without giving up their goals. They are free to pursue education, work, and leadership roles while knowing their children are safe, supported, and growing in a community that values fairness and inclusion. If you are thinking about moving to a place where you and your family can feel safe, respected, and empowered, these countries are worth considering. They offer more than just safety. They offer opportunity, dignity, and a future built on equality. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.